guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are having a great day. You probably read down below that I have my Walmart beauty box here. Now I think this is the summer one because I think I did the spring one already. I can't remember but I think when I read the card I will know. Anywho, I got two here and they are $7 each. Yes, because they upped the price. It is $7. Before it used to be $5, but now it is $7, which is not bad. Hey, I'm not mad at it. And you get it 4 times a year, so 4 seasons. You get the winter, you get a spring one, a summer one, and then the fall one as well. So yeah, let's get into this box. But before we get into that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload video, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DSoto Beauty Subscription. Okay, all right, let's get into it. So like I said, this box, Walmart box, are $7. I do get 2 of them because I like to see if there's a difference. Usually there is. Some of the products you might get different. I don't know, like a different nail polish or a different setting spray, or different lippy or something like that. So I just like to see. All right. So this one is the one that came to my house, and then this is the one that came to another house. So we're just going to check them out to see if there's any difference in any of these. Here it is, and every month it comes in this cardboard box, and you open it up. If I could, you get your products in there. So it does come in this little card. It says Walmart Beauty. Oh, this is the summer one. Okay, so the summer edit. Sunshine Ready Essential for a head to toe glow. So yeah, okay. So like I said, you're gonna get a mixed things that you can find at Walmart. So it could be makeup, it could be skincare, even vitamins or things like that. So you're gonna get different things. So here it is. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna pull out things here, and the first one I got here is this Cetaphil right, sheer mineral sunscreen. If you get this in full size, it is $15 basically for 3.0 ounces. Here we are getting 0.35 ounces. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Suitable for even the most sensitive skin. This lightweight formula protects and hydrates skin without clogging pores. All right, so we got some sunscreen, which is nice because we are going camping, and we're definitely going to be needing this for the weekend, for that weekend when we go. This has SPF 50 in it, so excited to have that. The next thing is from the same brand. This is the Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. If you get the full size of this, is $7.94 for 6.0 ounces. Here we get 0.33 fluid ounces. It says a facial cleanser you can use every day for improved textures and a radiant glowing complex. So it's just like a face scrub, but that is nice to get a little sample of that. Okay, let's see. Ooh, what is this? Why do I have, oh, they give me a little printout of like drugs, facts, and stuff like that of the sunscreen, because I guess they do. All right, so the next thing I see here is the Listerine Ready tabs. A full size of this is $5.97, and you get 24 tabs. And here we get 8. Here we get 8. You hear me? 8 in here. This is a chewable fresh breath tablets transformed from solid to liquid in seconds, helping fighting bad breath for up to 4 hours, anytime, anywhere. Wow, okay. You chew, you swish, you swallow. I don't know about swallowing it. I'll probably like spit it out. You know, you chew, you swish, and then it says you swallow. I would just like spit it. But that is pretty cool to get this and try it out. This is a very new product. I think I just saw it. So I'm excited to try that out and see. Hey, bad breath, go away. Here we go. Okay, so let's see. What's another product that I see that I have here? Maybe this one. Okay, here we go. This is the Revlon Color Stay Eyeliner. This is full size and it's $7.99. So right here, right now, this is what paid for my box. It is a pencil liner and it does have a sharpener to pull out, which is nice. I am not going to open this because I do have a bunch of eyeliners like are up here that are open that I really need to get, you know, to use. Like I didn't even do eyeliner today, but I really need to use. But that's exciting because I do like what do you call it? Eyeliners like this. I don't like liquid or anything like that. I like retractable ones. Okay. And then the next thing I got here, it is, I don't see it on the list, but I did get this, and not last, it was in the winter's box. This is the Face Oil Mist Smoothing by e.l.f. Smoothing. And I actually have it, I believe I have it like right here. Let me get it. Yes, I do have it right here. And I believe these are $6.99, $8 around there. I can't remember. So this is another thing that paid for the box and doubled. So that is nice. But I'm shocked that I have a repeat in this box. Yeah, I don't know. They could have gave me something else that I see on here that would have been nice, you know? Okay. And then the last thing I got here are the Suave Pink three-step head regimen. This shampoo, conditioner, if you get the full size, is $4.98 in each with the 16.5 fluid ounce. And then the smoothing cream full size is $4.98 for 4 ounces. Less frizz, more shine, formulated with amino acids complex. The system primes your hair from the inside out for the manageable, steady, ready tress. Okay, so they give you just like little sample bottles there, and they are 0.40 fluid ounces. So that's exciting to try out and see. I remember as a little girl, this was the shampoo that my mom used to just buy all the time for us and stuff like that. So that's exciting to have in the box. Okay, so that is everything that I got in the summer one that came to this address here. So yeah, I mean, there was other things that you could have gotten that I was like, okay, you could have gave me this. There was an Almay Lip Vibe lipstick. You could get it full size, $7.99. A Dollar Shave Club shave butter. Find Your Happy Place moisturizing hand cream. An NYX Fuller Instinct pumping lip color. I think I got that last time too. So that one I'm not mad. The Wet n Wild Big Papa mascara. The Clean Beauty Avocado Hemp Body Sleep mask. The John Frieda Frizz Ease Dreams Curls conditioner, or the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Radiant Primer. I would have loved that one. Okay, but overall I do like this box. I'm going to enjoy every single thing that's in there, so can't be mad at that. All right, let's get into the other box that was shipped in a different address, and here it is. I do see a lot of repeats in here. Let's double check. Yeah, but this time, wait, I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whereas in this box I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the only thing that was missing out of this box is the daily scrub. It's the same box. I just only got 5 items in here. And that's another thing that I don't know how many items we were supposed to receive in this box. I thought it was usually about 5 items. So I don't know, maybe that was just an extra that I got in the other box. So I can't really say much about it, but it is the identical box. So definitely got a good amount of these to try out and test to see if I like it. Definitely gonna have Annabella try this out for her hair. She has a good amount to test out her hair. And now I have like 2 extra bottles from the one that I have already, so 2 of those. And I do have these 2 sunscreens, so definitely going to for the camping trip. An extra Revlon eyeliner. So yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, we'll see how this goes. Anyhow, if you enjoyed this, let me know down below. I mean, this is not bad. For $7, this is not a bad box because you're getting products. You know, this is actually like bigger products than you would see in your Ipsy Glam bag. Let's just say that, okay? Because Ipsy is $12 and this is $7, and I got like 2 full-size items here and then like 3 sample sizes, but like, come on, this is like 3 here, right, already, and then this is a bunch of samples to try out. Anyhow, okay, let's stop that. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DSoto Beauty Subscription. As always, please be safe out there and stay healthy, and I will all see you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.